vastness of Cimarron, the violence of Red River, the drama of High Noon, and now even more, the might of the Indian fighter. Starring Kirk Douglas. A new place, the far-flung grandeur of Oregon. A new face, one of the world's most beautiful women, Elsa Martinelli. A man who was all man, fighting as only the greatest of fighters has ever fought. Loving as only the greatest of lovers has ever loved.
You quit your post while in Indian territory. Why?
To see a girl.
An Indian girl?
Torn between his love for her, his fighting man's respect for her people, the Sioux warriors, and his bounden duty to his own kind, the white settlers.
Onahti, I need your help. Your father's attacking the fort in the morning.
You must go.
It'll be a massacre. It's got to be stopped. Captain Trask, there's only one way for the people here to come out alive. If we can hand over to Red Cloud the man who killed his brother.
If any of us come out alive, I'll see that you pay for it, Mr. Indian Fighter.
Indian fighter, hell, Indian lover.
Kirk Douglas as the Indian fighter, impregnable as a man. Elsa Martinelli as his beloved, incomparable as a woman. Also starring Walter Matthau, Diana Douglas, Walter Abel. Vast in its spectacular sweep, vast in its emotional action.